Okay, y'all, these Amazon Basics disinfectant wipes are so good. I literally have a bottle in my bathrooms, in the kitchen, in the dining room. I use them so much. I have them on auto ship. I love them. I love the texture. They're really good. They smell really good and they clean really, really well. I'm just going to show you. So my husband's sink is filthy and I just pulled these wipes out and they literally just pick up everything. They wipe so well. They have a lemon scent and the yellow ones, and then they have a couple of other different ones too. I use them literally every day and I'm obsessed. So if you're thinking about trying them, I definitely would. They are worth it. And like I said, I have them on auto ship. So sparkly clean with only 3 wipes, y'all. Literally the best. I love them so much.